Welcome to 3724 Norris Avenue in Memphis, Tennessee. If you're looking for modern charm at an unbeatable price, this brand new 2026 construction listed at just $220,000 is a must-see. Featuring pristine curb appeal, a spacious private driveway, and beautiful contemporary finishes, this detached single-family home is perfect for homeowners and investors alike. Let's step inside. Step right into a brilliantly designed, functional floor plan offering 1,539 square feet of pristine living space. Notice the ultra-sleek, low-maintenance polished concrete floors stretching throughout the entire home. This home features a total of 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. This first bedroom is filled with natural light, featuring its own modern ceiling fan and plenty of built-in closet space. Every room offers incredible flexibility. Whether you need comfortable bedrooms for a growing family, a dedicated home office, or a creative studio. Check out this stunning guest bath. It is fully equipped with an upscale double vanity, matte black hardware, trendy arched mirrors, and a beautiful marble look tile tub surround. Now let's talk about the heart of the home. This kitchen is a chef's dream, boasting elegant quartz countertops, tons of custom white shaker cabinetry, and a massive island perfect for breakfast or entertaining. Right next to the kitchen is your dedicated dining space, spotlighted by a gorgeous geometric chandelier, right alongside a convenient indoor laundry area. Tucked away for maximum privacy is the primary suite, equipped with central heating and cooling to keep you perfectly comfortable year-round. The primary bedroom features its own private, beautifully finished attached bathroom for ultimate convenience. And you'll love this spacious walk-in closet. Best of all, this home comes complete with a 1-year builder's warranty for total peace of mind. Conveniently located near local shopping, dining, schools, and major roadways, 3724 Norris Avenue will not last long. Contact your agent to schedule your private tour today.